once again, my friends, and I'd like to welcome you to another video. And this is going to be another product review video. We're moving into summer, and if you have the problem like I do, we've got like the 4 ice cube trays stacked up on the side of the freezer, and we can't afford a fridge that actually has the ice maker. So I was thinking, well, let's do the next best thing. Let's get an ice making machine that's going to go on the counter. So I did a little bit of research, and I use the reviews, the ratings, and things like that. So I came up with this one. So we're going to take a look at the ice maker. So watch the video, decide for yourself. Thank you for watching.
EUHOMY introduces a revolutionary way to make ice with the EUHOMY LunaArc Portable Crescent Ice Maker. No more smelly fridge ice or stale cubes from the grocery store. EUHOMY gives you fresh, food-grade Crescent ice that melts 30 minutes slower than regular cubes, getting in just 12 minutes. Easy to move, easy to carry, perfect for on the go. To learn more about the world's best portable ice maker,
the full cubes, those machines get really expensive. So when I was looking at the different ice shapes, I saw the Crescent, and that was, for the price range, probably the best choice. So I ended up going with the EUHOMY. And I'm going to show you the machine that I got. We're going to set it up, we're going to demonstrate it, and I'll show you the finished product. The nugget ice is the ice cubes that I thought were just too small. The more affordable machines have the nugget ice and the bullet ice. The bullet ice has the where it forms on the end, but the center is hollow, and that kind of tends to melt quickly. The Crescent ice tends to stay frozen a little bit longer. So that was a factor in going into my decision. So when we look at the product specifications, the total production, or the ice production time, is about 12 to 15 minutes per cycle. And the ice per cycle is about 16 pieces or 16 ice cubes or ice crescents. The daily production, it says it can make up to 28 pounds of ice a day. Of course, that would be running non-stop, and I'll get into show you how to set up the machine. The capacity for the ice basket or the bin is 2.5 pounds, and the water tank capacity is 1.8 liters. So when we look at the key components and the structures, you can see the diagram that I'm going to put up on the screen, and it kind of shows you the parts of the machine. So 1 is the dip tray, 2 is the ice bin door, 3 is the ice bin, 4 is the reservoir, 5 is the reservoir main lid, 6 is the reservoir refill cap. 7, the control and display area. 8 is the top cover. 9 is the air outlet, and 10 is the drain plug. And again, we'll get into all that later when we do the demonstration and setup. So when we look at the control panel now, the display panel, so we have the on and off button, and we press the button to start or stop the ice making process itself. During the ice making process, pressing this button will turn off the machine and switch it to standby mode. When the machine is in self-cleaning cycle, pressing this button will stop the ongoing self-cleaning process. When the machine's timer feature is enabled for scheduled power on or off, pressing this button will cancel the scheduled timer by turning the machine on or off directly. During the ice making process, press and hold this button for more than 3 seconds to initiate the defrosting process, which helps remove ice buildup from the evaporator. Next would be the light button or the ice thickness adjustment button. Press this button to turn the machine's internal lights on or off. 3 different light colors indicate the machine's current operating status. The blue light is the machine is in the ice making mode and everything is operating normally. Purple light, the ice bin is full and some ice needs to be removed. And then the orange light, the machine is low on water and the water needs to be added to the reservoir. Press and hold this button for more than 3 seconds to enter the ice thickness adjustment mode. Use the plus sign and negative sign buttons to adjust the thickness of the ice. When you push the plus sign, you increase. This button is used to adjust the timer and ice thickness settings. The timer adjustment press each increases the timer by 1 hour with a maximum setting of 24 hours. For the ice thickness adjustment, each press increases the ice making time by 1 minute and the ice thickness will correspondingly increase. The ice thickness can be adjusted up to 5. Press and hold this button for more than 3 seconds to enter the self-cleaning mode as well. With the decrease button, this button is used to adjust the timer and ice thickness settings. The timer adjustment, each press decreases the timer by an hour with a minimum setting of 0 hours, which cancels the timer. The ice thickness adjustment, each press decreases the ice making time by 1 minute and the ice thickness will correspondingly decrease. The ice thickness can be adjusted up to -5. Press and hold this button for more than 3 seconds to enter the timer settings. So the display panel overview, we have the ice full indicator light. When this indicator light is lit, it means the ice bin is full and the machine will stop making ice. After removing the ice, the machine will resume the ice making process. Under normal conditions, the ice bin can hold up to 2.5 pounds of ice, approximately 10 cycles of ice. When the ice bin is full, the internal light of the ice maker will turn purple. We have the low water indicator next. When this indicator is lit, it means the reservoir is low on water and the machine will stop making ice. Ice making will resume only after sufficient water is added to the reservoir. When this indicator is flashing, it means the defroster process has timed out or failed. A forced defrost is required. Press and hold the on-off button for approximately 3 seconds or more. We have the ice-making indicator. When this indicator is lit, it means the machine is in the ice-making mode. When the indicator is flashing, it means the machine is in the defrosting process. So you have to let the refrigerant settle as well. If the equipment was tilted during transport, place it upright and allow it to stand for 24 hours before plugging it in and using it, as the refrigerant will settle. So when it comes to cleaning the machine, We prioritize the hygiene of the ice you use. Before using the machine for the first time, please be sure to clean all parts that come into contact with water. With the power off, use a dry cloth to clean the exterior. Remove the water reservoir and ice bin, and then clean them with warm water, soft cloth, and mild detergent. Clean all the internal components that come in contact with water. What I ended up doing was I used mild dish detergent and warm soapy water, and I cleaned all the parts, and then I cleaned the inside of my machine, and also I wiped down all the parts on the inside. So we're going to run the operation, and we're going to go through a few cycles before actually using the ice to ensure that the evaporator is clean. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the reservoir. When the water is in, the cap is closed, and then the drawer or tank is pushed back into the machine. We're going to press the on button. This will start the machine. The machine will first enter the defrosting process. And the ice symbol will blink. And after a few minutes, the defrosting will end and the symbol will remain lit, indicating the machine is entering the ice making process. So to adjust the thickness of the ice, we press and hold the light button for more than 3 seconds. The D indicator will light up, and you can use the plus or the minus buttons to increase or decrease the ice thickness. I set mine at 5, which is the highest setting, and note this will increase the ice production time. So what I did for my machine is I ran it through several different cycles to make sure it was clean. And this is after I had washed it with warm soapy water, cleaned everything out, and I actually used the drain plug and I drained out the excess water and I wiped down the machine. Once it was finished, I was ready to make the ice for the first time for consumption. So after the machine finished, this is the finished result, and what we'll do is we'll take this and this will go into the freezer. So I hope this video was helpful. I do like this machine. I think it was a good value for the money, and again, if you want one, I'll put the link. I got mine off of Amazon. So I thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, I'll talk to you soon.